viewers, we're from KeysRus. Today we're unpacking Lockgenics RazorX key cutting machine, vertical key cutting machine for car keys, house keys, Dimple cut keys, and laser cut keys. So it's a semi-automatic. That means you have to move the machine using a hand. Alright, once you get your machine, you will get this manifest showing what accessories included on the manifest. So if you go from the top, you have your machine here, and you have different, I would say, jigs, clamps that you can switch between different type of keys that you will be cutting. And then you have the shims to move the keys higher for some keys if you need to bring them higher. And then you have 3 milling cutters for different purposes, and then you have your tracers, which the probe or tracer you want to call. Then you have the stopping for the things, and then you have the rest of the tools, brushes and cleaners, and the cables and the wires. So let's take them out one by one. So this would be your handle, and here's your brush, your Allen key tool for opening, changing milling cutters, and then you have your tightening knob. Then you have your cable, a safety glass, and all the milling cutters and the jigs that comes with the machine. If you need more jigs, they're also available. You can buy them from KeysRus. We sell all the type of jigs.